Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we're going to be removing the radio on a G35 G37 Sedan. Let's get to it. Alright, so when we are removing the shift bezel and the shift knob, we're going to come right here. We're going to slide this little boot down. No tools needed. And then you're going to see a clip in here. Grab your pick and pull it back. Sometimes you have to release it from the front. Like that. And don't annihilate your finger with your pick. Don't lose that either. And then the shift knob just comes up, and then you're going to put 2 fingers in here, or 1 finger, or 2 fingers, and lift it up. Kind of just do a little wiggle, and it'll pop loose from the front. You may have to put the car into neutral to do that, so make sure that your e-brake is on, like that. And to get the car into neutral without turning the car on and doing that, just reach under it, and you're gonna see a white square under here, and you're gonna push that down, and that will allow you to go into neutral, because you need that in order to come back. Here's that button that I was talking about. So if you just reach your hand on the back side of the shifter, you'll feel like a little square that you can press in, and that allows you to move the shifter wherever you want. And then there's gonna be 2 plugs back here. One that plugs into the shift mechanism itself, the shifter, and then 1 more plug right there. All right, and then next we're going to remove these 2 screws on the bottom of the radio faceplate. So those 2 screws are out, and you're just going to pull out on the bottom of it. Don't pull too far though, because there's a little ribbon under here that you don't want to rip. It's very, very sensitive. So push that one in first. Get a little flathead. Like that. Slide that out, and then there's three more plugs after that. And just like that, your radio bezel is off on your G35 G37 Sedan.